Hey, what's up? It's me, Errol, back again with another video. As you can see, today we're going to be fitting some carpet on stairs. So the first thing we're going to do is measure the stairs and then we'll start cutting the carpet. I did measure the stairs off camera. I also cut the underlay off camera as well. What I'm doing there is measuring the length of the carpet, because 2 meters gives you 4 steps. Now that we've cut the carpet for the stairs, we should go and make a test fit. Now that we've test fitted the carpet on the stairs, we should start fitting the underlay, and then the next thing you know, we'll start fitting the carpet on the stairs. Now that I've bolstered in the top step, I should take my straight blade and trim off the excess carpet, getting it ready for me to fit the stairs. I'm just checking the pile direction. It's always good practice to make sure the nap runs over the step. And the reason for that is if you don't run the pile over the step, it will show a different color from your landing. Right, what we're doing now is I'm setting the carpet up on the stairs and make sure that it's straight. And then I should take the stair tool and bolster the carpet in. And then I should take the stair tool and bolster the carpet in. I should start from the middle and I should bolster down the riser, working to the left, and then I'll come back to the middle and then work to the right, and then I'll put the bolster virtually flat on the step and bolster inwards, working again from the middle to the left and then to the right. And basically that's how you fit a step. And then from that point onwards, it's a rinse and repeat till we get down to the bullnose. This is what you're aiming for as you're fitting your steps. Don't forget that you come down the stairs as you fit along to cut off all excess threads. Generally make your job look a lot neater when you're finished. And there you go, we've reached the last step now. We are down to the bullnose. I'm just going to put some underlay on that, and then Mark is going to come and fit the bullnose. I do believe we've come to the end of this one. If these are the type of videos that you like, check out my playlist. Also, check out this video that's coming up next. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.